Alright. Start making it.
Hi guys, I just got 5 footy packs from the MCG. We just finished watching Richmond v Collingwood. The game didn't go to our side, but I'm going to open one pack of footy cards to see how good the MCG luck is.
Go.
Here we go.
Start there.
We got
Good thing about Dimmer.
Riley Sanders.
I can hold that.
We
Yep.
got Riley Sanders.
Yep.
Harris Andrews.
Yep.
We got Christian Petrarca.
Yep.
Then we got Footy Force cards, Tim Kelly, Charlie Curnow, going to Gold Coast, Nick Newman, Brody Grundy, Max Holmes, Jesse Hogan, and that's all for today.